Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
राज्याचे आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत दनपारात हांगा विजिट घेवन गेल्ले आनी विजिटीच्या टायमार डिक्लेअर केल्लें की एक 10 ऑक्सिजन कॉन्सन्ट्रेटर आपण धाडून दिता म्हणून 8 वरां भितर हे 10 ऑक्सिजन कॉन्सन्ट्रेटर तेंच्यांनी आमच्या CSC तुये हे धाडून दिल्ले आहात आनी हे आमचे पर्सिस्टंट फाउंडेशन हेंच्यांनी खंय तरी डोनेट केल्ले म्हणजे CMन डोनेट केल्ले नक्कीच हेचे फुडें केन्नाच खंयच्याच कोविड पेशंटाक ऑक्सिजनाची कमतरता शॉर्टेज ऑफ ऑक्सिजन हे प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट जावचे ना.
आमी पयले कॅम्प केल्ले आख्खे सवय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी सवय विलेजांनी वेर्ना नागवाल चोली माजोर्डा बेतालबाती आनी आमकां बरो रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळो एक विलेजीन 350-400 अशें करून सगळे बूक घालले तरी आसतना मागीर तो लोक 45 आमगे उरलो आहा ताका लागून आमी वॅक्सिनेशन सेंटर आमी CMाक मागून हाडा.
In this COVID times, we have been working very closely with our MLA and especially Babajan, who has done a lot of work for our village. He has, in this COVID times, he has kept a doctor who is going to check on home isolation patients. He is also working very closely to get the asilo in Majorda, that is my village.
हे एक्चुअली आमकां ते कोविड पेशंट आसा तांकां तेंचे प्रोग्रेस जे जेन्ना एडमीट जाता तांकां जो ट्रिटमेंट दिवपाचो प्रोटोकॉल आसा आनी तांकां स्पेसिफीक जे वखदां घालपाक जाय ते हे टेस्टान आमकां कळटा.
It helps to know the progress of the patient. If the levels go down, that means the patient is improving. No chances that he will get any complication of COVID.
यही फॅसिलिटी आमचे फक्त GMC, साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल, पोंडा आनी म्हापसा आशिल्लो थिंगा आसली. आज ही आमकां मेशिनां दिला. आनंद बोस जे म्हाजे फ्रेंड आसा हेजे आदीं तेणें हेरूय इक्विपमेंट दिला हे हॉस्पिटला खातीर एकूच कामा खातीर. सोसायटी वी हॅव टू गिव बॅक समथींग टू सोसायटी अशें हो हेतू घेवन तेणें दिला.
For our center, we today have this entire Dura, which can take as many as 60 oxygen cylinders worth of oxygen in the liquid form. It is given to us by Mr. Nikhil Kamath from Zeroda and Mr. Churchill Alemao and Warren, who has taken the trouble of bringing it in a crane form all the way.
A very old and dear friend of mine. I just had to call him once and tell him that Goa needs your help. He's been supporting a lot of people in Karnataka, in Bombay. Founder of Zeroda. I just want to say a big thank you to him and a big thank you to our leader Churchill Alemao for coming out and supporting and making sure that we are making our own kind of a campaign to fight against this corona.